Welcome. It's 4 years to the day that we started this channel, and we want to mark this occasion by a summary of the situation at the moment. Now, if you're not familiar with the channel, we normally cover tutorials about Python. We do other areas of IT. Now, the idea of the channel is to provide very simple tutorials. Even if English is not your first language, we want the videos to be easy to understand. Now, currently we're doing a series on next level Python. So that's covered object-oriented programming recently, and we're now moving into databases, and we'll go into data structures and algorithms. Now, these are quite complex areas. We need to really plan a whole series of videos to cover these areas. Now that takes time. At the moment we're trying to produce a video every week, which we normally put out on a Sunday, but we're having a problem doing that. So we wanted to make a video to say that rather than produce a poor quality video every week, we would rather spend time making a quality video. Now how long that takes depends on our workload. At the moment we're very busy providing material for online courses, which we'll discuss in a minute. Now we could take a break, so we have an option either to spend more time or take a break while we're busy with other projects. Previously we used to produce a video every 2 weeks. Now the point is, we do want to carry on, but we want to provide quality tutorials rather than weekly tutorials. How about you? What videos would you like to see in the coming year? If there's an audience for an area, we can cover that area. We want to provide videos that people want to see. Unfortunately, there's so many YouTube channels for Python. It's almost pointless providing videos on Python because the material's already there, and there's not much interest if the video in an area has already been done. So what can you do that's new? Now we do have some ideas, but they involve a lot of hard work and time, and that can't really be done in one evening every week. So we want quality over quantity. Unfortunately, we seem to be more slave to the YouTube algorithm rather than producing quality material. So we want to know what you would like. So please leave a comment. Okay, so the plan is to carry on with database, data structures and algorithms, but we want them to be quality. So not rushed and not unprepared. So we will take longer to provide these videos. So for the next period of time, we're going to test to see what happens if we provide quality videos rather than regular videos. So we suggest, rather than expecting something every week, use a notification bell, obviously to get notified when the videos are released. We spent the last 4 years trying to help people learn by creating videos on YouTube. Now we're thinking of extending this by creating courses and making them available online. So if you're interested, let us know. What would you like to learn? Please remember to leave a comment and let us know what you would like in the forthcoming year, what videos, what tutorials you would like from the channel. Okay, thank you for your support.